Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In my today's video I'm showing you guys what's in my makeup bag and how does this products help you. So without wasting more time, into the video. This is the pouch which is always with me whenever I'm traveling anywhere. I got this pouch from West Side. It comes in 3 different sizes. This is the bigger size, and this is the medium size, and you get a smaller size also in the same. I usually use the smaller ones to carry my accessories, watch or any bracelets and something like that. Next, I use this for makeup. I always carry this one for makeup only. The bigger one I always carry skincare or toiletries, something like that, which is like a bigger size of the product goes into this. So let's see what's inside this. The very first thing is to prep your skin, and I use this Garnier Skin Natural Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream, and I really like this one. They come in a 2 size, and this is almost down the tub. I like it so much. This is good and even moisturizing, so I always carry this in my makeup bag. To prep my lips, I always go in with the lip balm by Lakme. I like this lip balm for like traveling purpose. It's a tinted lip balm in the shade Strawberry. You have many types in this, and I even like the Maybelline one, but mostly I use the Maybelline one when I'm in my home, but when I'm traveling I have this always in my bag. Next is primer, and for primer I use this the Pore Freshener Primer by Benefit. I like this primer very much. It is very smooth on your skin and blends evenly and gives you mattified look. For foundation, I carry these 2 foundations with me always. This is in the stick and this is the liquid foundation. This is by Nykaa Skin Shield and this is by Sugar. This comes with a brush and it's handy. The stick really goes great, and I have the perfect shade in both. That's the reason I always can go with this. I can always never go wrong with this too, so I always carry this with me. My shade in this is 37 Fredo, and in this is 07 Hot Honey. For concealer, I again go in with 2 concealers. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I like to use both because this go exactly perfect with my shade, and this is a lighter than my skin, so whenever I want to like highlight I go with this, and when I want a base then I go with this, and both together are amazing blend. In this my shade is pure beige, and in this sand, so very good concealers. To set my face I go in with the Sugar Translucent Powder, a very good powder everyone can invest in, and it comes with a puff like this. It is really an amazing powder. Or sometimes I go in with the Faces Canada Compact. I like compacts to carry. This is one of the good compact that I have got for myself. The shade is perfect for me. That's the reason I like it. And yeah. For setting spray, I go in with the MAC setting spray. Setting sprays are amazing. I am almost done with this, and I feel setting sprays really go good, so you should definitely invest in a setting spray. For brows, you can never go wrong with the Benefit. This is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and I'm in the shade 3.5. I feel I had to go for a deeper darker shade because I have thick black hair, but I feel it goes good with me, so yeah. I got this in a sample size. You can get a bigger size, and I'm definitely going to invest in the bigger side also. For mascara, again the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I have 2 of them. That's the reason I have one in my bag and one in my home for everyday. I must say this is a really good mascara. Right now it is dried up because we are not traveling anywhere, so good one. So it's in a travel size, so good to carry. It doesn't take space. For liner, I use this Lakme Absolute Shine line. I feel this is one of the best liners, liquid liners I have come across. So bronzer, blush and highlighter comes in one single palette if I am traveling, because I don't want each one to take separate place. That's the reason I have 3 in one palette, and this is really a good palette by Faces Canada in the shade Fresh. It smells really good. It smells like some agarbatti. I like this. They all 3 have shimmers in them and they go perfect. For eyeshadow palette, I always go in with these 2 palettes. This is best for Indian look. This has all the colors that will go perfect with an Indian dresses, and this go correct with even Indian dresses as well as a subtle look. So depends on what dress I'm taking or I'm carrying with myself. So as per to that, I take the palette, but mostly this is always in my bag. For lipsticks, I carry these 3 lipsticks always with myself. This is a darker shade, this is a nude shade, and this is a pink shade. This is the Nykaa mini lipsticks in the shade 16M. This is the liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Jhumki. This is the Maybelline liquid matte, and it's in the shade 08. These 3 are best colors to go with any dress. You can jumble them, you can mix them, they go very great. This is the beauty blender that I go in with. This is a random purchase from Shein. I like this because it doubles the size and it goes great. It do not drink the foundation. That's the reason I like this one. For brushes, I only go in with the 6 brushes. 1 for foundation, another 2 for my eyes, 1 to set, 1 to contour, and another 1 for blush. The best 3 ways to get rid of your makeup is a micellar water and cotton pad. Or you can go in with the balm. This is the Plum Balm. Or you can go in with a wet wipe. I carry all this, otherwise just between this to anyone, and this is always there. That's what I carry in this little bag. If you guys like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!